HMO Costs Breakdown. In this video we're going to discuss how you can work out how much it's going to cost you to convert an existing house into a HMO. Okay, so in a HMO there are certain things that we need. So you bought a house, okay, so you're thinking of buying a house. You've found what you think might be a good deal, but now you've got to the stage where you're thinking, okay, how much is this going to cost me? What do I need to allocate for the conversion costs into a HMO? So in a typical HMO conversion, you're going to want to get the maximum rooms out of that house. So it means you're going to be converting every reception room that you can into a bedroom, and every bedroom itself is going to be a bedroom. Okay, so if you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and 2 receptions downstairs, then that's 5 rooms that you're going to convert. Okay, obviously you need to keep the kitchen and a communal living area, but let's just go through what you will need to calculate. Okay, so in all of our HMOs we always put in there a fire system. So you're going to need to allocate what a fire system will cost. Okay, typically a fire system for 6 or 7 bedrooms plus all the communal areas and the fire panel and everything you need will cost you about 4,000 to 5,000. You may need to have a rewire. Okay, there's very few HMOs that I've converted where we don't require a rewire. So the chances are you'll need a rewire. This typically will cost about £5,000. Then you're going to need to have emergency lighting. That will cost typically around about £1,000, particularly if you get it done at the same time as the fire system, okay, or the same time as the rewire. In fact, most electricians will do all 3 at the same time. So they're kind of the legal requirements, the regulatory requirements, if you like. You know, you need to have safe electricity, so normally a rewire. You need to have a fire alarm system in there, and you need to have emergency lighting in there. So they're things that we can't get away with, so we need to have those in order to make the building safe. Then you're going to need a kitchen. So you're looking at a kitchen with enough capacity to service all of the tenants in there. So kitchen, you're going to be looking at between 5 to 7k on a kitchen. You're going to need 2 ovens, 2 hobs. You're going to need 500 millimeters of workspace per tenant that's in the building. So if you've got 6 tenants, that's 3 meters of workspace that you need. 500 millimeters of cupboard lockable space for each tenant. So you're going to need quite a large kitchen. Then you can go into each room. So each room is going to need, it possibly might need to go back to brick. So that's where the plaster is so bad that you need to take the plaster off, particularly if you're going to be rewiring it. Take all the plaster off, rewire it, and then new plasterboarding over the top. So that's what we call back to brick. We always put en suites in all of ours, so you're going to need to cost in for the ensuite. So we put a shower in there, pedestal and toilet. You're going to need to have new skirting board and architriving, so new timbers. You'll need to have new fire doors. So you're going to need fire doors. You will need decoration. You're going to need flooring. And that's essentially it, really. You know, you can go and put fitted wardrobes in, you can do, you can do all sorts of, extra things if you want, but essentially that's it. The only thing that afterwards, depending on whether it's going to be furnished or not, is you're going to need the furniture. Now, the way I like to do it, after doing dozens of HMOs, I've got a figure that it pretty much always works out to. And that figure is, with ensuite, with bathroom, it comes out to 10k per room. Without, it comes to 7k. Now, I need to say that that's not in addition to all these, okay? So I'm not saying that it's 10k per bedroom and then you've got to pay for that. What I'm saying is, if you've got 6 bedrooms and you want to put bathrooms in each room, if you multiply 6 by 10, that's going to give you 60,000. For 60,000, that is pretty much how much it will cost to do everything on here. So that will include your fire system, your rewires, your emergency lights, your kitchens, back to brick, en suites, everything, literally, decorations, the whole lot. So roughly work on 60k a room. If you're not putting en suites in, you work on 7k a room, so you've then got 42k. And again, the 42k includes the common areas, so your fire system, your rewiring, your kitchen, etc. So that's how quickly I can go around a potential HMO and calculate how much it's going to cost. So multiply the number of rooms by 10k if you want fully en-suited, 7k if you don't. And if you apply that, then you won't go far wrong. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you've got any comments, as always, put them below and I'll see you on the next video.